Now, I must start by saying, since we're talking about raw versus cooked meat, when we're talking about raw and cooked meat, the only type of meat we're talking about here is pastured meat, and this is the only type of meat you should be eating, by the way. I just want to quickly go over the difference between the two types of meat, the two types of livestock management, and their impacts on you and the environment. So corn-fed meat, most of the stuff you get from the store, destroys topsoil, pollutes waterways, it's a highly toxic food. The animals raised in this way, it's highly cruel to them, and it also destroys the environment. Pastured meat, conversely, this is when you have animals out on green, lush grass in their natural habitat and where they eat and excrete in the same place. This builds topsoil, provides habitat for everything from bacteria. There's said to be 1 billion bacteria within a single tablespoon of topsoil, which is destroyed in conventional agriculture, by the way. Pastured meat provides life and habitat for those bacteria, the nematodes, other microorganisms, to the insects, to the rodents, to grazing animals and birds, all these things. It provides habitat for wildlife as opposed to destroying habitat like conventional agriculture does. Pastured animals or livestock have great lives. So this type of production produces great lives for the animals. You have to remember that these animals can't survive on their own, so you're giving them amazing lives and they have one bad day where the nutrients they've accumulated come to us and the nutrient cycle continues. Now, also, the food provided by pastured animals is extremely nutritious. I don't know if you know this, but grass is the most nutritious food in the world, probably only second to algae. And the only reason that would be is because they probably have more access to all the nutrients and the minerals when soils have typically been at least a little bit depleted, if not extremely depleted. If you try to eat grass, you can, but you'll die. Ruminant animals can eat grass and they convert it into delicious fat and protein. So the nutrients from the healthiest plant go to the cow and their tissues accumulate all the nutrients that they've eaten, and they literally eat for like 12 hours a day. Pastured meat improves the environment. So there's this myth out there that humans are negative to the environment and we can't have a positive impact. But the truth is, our impact on the environment can be just as positive as it is negative. And the way we do this is by supporting and buying and eating pastured poultry, beef, lamb. If you don't have a freezer full of pastured meat, visit EndAllDisease.com. I have no affiliation with them, but they are an amazing directory of farmers that produce pastured and other different types of meat and poultry and things. Visit that website, contact a local farmer, phone them, email them, and buy a half cow and load up your freezer with this stuff.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also, be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.